How to create and add watermark in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create and add watermark on your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Canva. Head over to canva.com and log in into your account. Then you can start a new project or go to any recent designs that you have. After you're there, you will then see your videos and everything else, or your photos or videos in which you want to simply add the watermark in. After you're there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to this text settings, text on the left sidebar, and from here you'll need to add a text. Tap on add a heading, and right here simply type in whatever you want. And right here I'll change this color to white. After changing this to white, let me just copy all of this first, then change it to white. There we go. So now I can just simply change this, make it bigger. You can change this and make it bigger till your choice. So after you do that, what you can then do is you will need to change its transparency. Tap on transparency and decrease it. And there we go. And that is how you can create and add watermark on your Canva. And that's basically how you do this. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.